The Al Shifa Trust Eye Hospital Gala, held at the Marriott Sugar Land in Houston, Texas, gathered influential members of the Pakistani diaspora, philanthropists, healthcare leaders, and dignitaries for an evening dedicated to raising awareness and funds for the establishment of an Al Shifa Trust Eye Hospital in Gilgit-Baltistan. This region, with its mountainous terrain and remote location, has long been underserved in terms of specialized eye care. The new hospital will offer critical services such as corneal transplants, pediatric ophthalmology, and refractive surgeries, aiming to improve the lives of thousands in this rural area. The evening began with a social hour following a delicious dinner, giving guests an opportunity to network and reflect on the significance of the Al Shifa Trust Eye Hospital project. This informal setting allowed attendees to connect with key figures, including Mr. Nasruddin Rupani, chairman of the Rupani and Ibn Sina Foundation, who highlighted the foundation's commitment to covering 50% of the project's cost. Mr. Rupani's personal involvement was also evident in this project when he took part in the groundbreaking ceremony in Gilgit-Baltistan, marking a significant milestone in the region's healthcare infrastructure. His continued leadership and philanthropic dedication to the project were crucial in bringing the vision of the Al Shifa Trust Eye Hospital to life.
I'm hopeful that we'll inshallah be establishing our first eye hospital in Gilgit. So I'm very blessed to have partnership with Al Shifa, and inshallah this is not the last one, this is the first one. Inshallah we'll continue to work together and provide these services to the areas where people have no access to it. And this hospital will be a blessing to the entire high mountain region, because the people who live in high mountain regions does not have access to quality health care. And inshallah, with this eye hospital, there will be other services like mental health services, mother and child services, diagnostic services, and beyond.
Last year alone, we have treated about 17 lakhs people. 82% of them were free of cost. So more than 1.5 million people we have treated free of cost. We have carried out 100,000 surgeries, and our treatment is of highest quality in that area, and it is because of our quality of service and our commitment to excellence that Rupanis have joined us and is partnering with us. We do not ask any questions from anyone who comes to our hospital, any of the hospitals. So we'll carry this system in Gilgit also.
The plan is that it will cater for almost 200 patients every day, and we'll be treating 25 patients surgeries every day. This is a place which is 22 canals of land. The groundwork has already been started, and we will be starting this hospital hopefully inshallah in middle of 2026.
A great cause, helping treatment and surgical procedures for the blind and giving them vision and an opportunity to see life again. So I'm very proud to be part of this event.
Following dinner, the formal proceedings began with speeches from influential leaders in healthcare and philanthropy. Mr. Rupani spoke about the Rupani Foundation's ongoing commitment to improving global health, particularly in underserved regions like Gilgit-Baltistan. President of Al Shifa Trust shared insights into the challenges faced in Gilgit-Baltistan, emphasizing the importance of the new hospital in providing quality care where it's most needed. Chief of Medical Services at Al Shifa outlined the innovative services the hospital will offer, including a pioneering pediatric ophthalmology program to address childhood blindness in rural areas. The speeches served as a powerful reminder of the impact that healthcare leadership can have in transforming lives.
एक ऐसा शख्स जिसने यहाँ पे साबित किया है इस शहर में रह के कि वो ना सिर्फ सेल्फलेस होके कम्युनिटी की खिदमत कर सकता है, ना सिर्फ यहाँ रह के कर सकता है बल्कि पाकिस्तान में भी कर सकता है। और पाकिस्तान में जो गिलगित बल्तिस्तान में हॉस्पिटल बनने जा रहा है उसके लिए उन्होंने 50% जो कॉस्ट है उसका उन्होंने वादा किया।
He came in and presented to me, Mr. Rupani, we would like to start a hospital, eye hospital in Gilgit. I don't think even I took a second to say yes for us, because I don't think any cause can be better than this cause, that this hospital will be giving eyesight to millions and millions of people who has suffering from losing their eyes.
We are there to give hope to the hopeless. And inshallah, हमारे in time आ जाए, eye disease which can be treated elsewhere in the world can also be treated in Al Shafa Trust.
सोमालिया, मॉरिशस, इन सब से लोग आके हमारे पास, बांग्लादेश, अफगानिस्तान, डॉक्टर्स आके यहाँ से ट्रेन होते हैं और फिर अपने मुल्कों में जाकर काम करते हैं। अभी एक पिछले 2 साल पहले बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंगली रॉयल कॉलेज ऑफ ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट यूके, विच इज़ द हाईएस्ट बॉडी इन यूके फॉर ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी एक्रेडिटेशन, उनकी एक टीम आई हमारे पास विजिट पे और दे फाउंड आउट के दे कैन हैव देयर एग्जाम्स हियर इन अल शिफा। सो वो एग्ज़ाम जो है उनका वो अल शिफा में होना शुरू हुआ फर्स्ट टाइम इन पाकिस्तान, और उसमें पाकिस्तानी डॉक्टर्स और रीजनल बाकी डॉक्टर्स आके एग्ज़ाम देते हैं और उनको अब बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ता किसी एग्ज़ाम के लिए।
I came to the United States and I went to the doctor here. You know what happened? Doctor told me that time कि अगर तुम उस टाइम पे हमारे पास आती तो बस highly possibilities थी कि हम इस विजन को सेव कर सकते थे।
This gala highlighted the critical need for eye care and the transformative potential of the new hospital. The partnership between the Rupani Foundation and Al Shifa Trust is a prime example of how philanthropic organizations and healthcare institutions can collaborate to address global health challenges. As the event drew to a close, guests were reminded of the ongoing need for support, with an invitation to contribute to this vital cause. Every donation will help bring world-class eye care to the people of Gilgit-Baltistan, offering hope and vision to countless individuals. Together, we can make a lasting impact and create a brighter future for this deserving community.
Eyes are window to the world. If you have to see the world, you need to have eyes. और इनका contribution कि ये उन लोगों को आंखें दे रहे हैं, उन लोगों को नूर दे रहे हैं कि जो दुनिया नहीं देख सकते, इससे बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं हो सकता।
The formal program concluded with a musical performance, offering a cultural celebration and providing guests with a relaxing opportunity to reflect on the cause they had gathered to support.